The nature of competitions, the meaning of competitions, type of competition, and model of competition. The nature of competition. Competition is rivalry between two or more individuals, business, or organizations. It is the intensity of rivalry that exists between businesses, individuals, or organizations. The nature of competition refers to the intensity and form of competition that take place within a market structure. The nature of competition is the intensity of the competition that exists in a market structure, determined by the number of buyers, number of sellers, etc. It is all about how fiercely business fight for customers within the framework set by a market structure. A competitions in a marketplace exists between the businesses that provide a product or services that satisfy similar needs. A healthy competition is great and essential for motivating employees, generating surplus. In business organizations, a intense competition with no reasons below the line of the strategic visions of a company. Always a business should compete wisely, or a willingness to compete with a reason. Type of competition. We have direct competition, indirect competition, and replacement competition. Direct competition. Direct competitors are branch of businesses that sell the same product or service to the same target audience. Direct competitors, they compete directly with each other. They provide the same product or similar services, they satisfy the same needs, and they target the same customers. You can call to business if are in direct competition if they operate within the same industry, they provide the same or similar products or services, they target the same audience, they satisfy the same needs. Direct competitors compete with each other. All what they provide is the same. Indirect competition. Indirect competitors provide products or services that are not the same but satisfy the same customers' needs. Indirect competitors are businesses or brands that provide a product or services that are completely different but satisfy the same customer needs. A great example of indirect competitors will be two different kinds of restaurants. For example, a fast foods and a buffet foods restaurants do not provide the same type of products, but both of them satisfy the same needs of hunger. They both operate in the same industry, they satisfy the same needs, they target the same audience. That is about indirect competitors. And the last, replacement competition. Replacement competitors are brands and businesses that have the ability to completely replace existing organizations. Replacement competitions are businesses that have the ability to replace other businesses by providing new products or services that better satisfy the needs of target audience. They provide a product or services in an excellent way that most successfully satisfies the need of target audience. You can tell if your organization is a replacement competitor if it offers an existing product or services in a new, innovative way that most successfully satisfies the need of customers. Replacement competitors, they provide a product in an innovative way that most successfully satisfies the needs of target customers. For examples, mobile phone and television. In recent years, people watch movies on television, but with the coming of mobile phone, it satisfies the needs more brilliantly and successfully than the TV does. So the mobile phone completely replaces TV. This is an example of replacement competitors. They replace an existing businesses by providing a product or offering a value that most successfully satisfies the needs of the consumers. 4-5 forces model. The 4-5 forces model was developed by Michael Porter, a Harvard Business School professor. The model was used to analyze the level of competition in an industry, how good an industry is, its attractiveness. Number 1. Threats of new entrants. How easy is it or difficult is it for a business to enter new markets? Bargaining power of buyers. Does your buyers have a power to drive down the price of your products? Bargaining power of suppliers. Does your suppliers has a power to raise the price of the resource they provide due to rates? Threats of substitute products or services. Does the product you offer has a close substitute that the customers can get it and satisfy the same need as your product? And rivalry among existing competitors. The degree of competitions that exists between the existing players in the industry. The higher the competitive forces, the higher the competitions, and the lower the profits an industry can generate. The 4-5 forces is used to analyze the strength of an industry, how the market is, so that a person will conduct a competitive analysis before deciding to enter a particular market or how good cost effective you are in your market positions.